You're Ginger, right?
Oh, hey, Leo! Cafeteria's got boring snacks. Guess I'll have to make my own. Vampires make the best candy after all. We have got centuries of practice. Ta-da! Oh, Leo, I'll make you some one day. Leo?
Hey, what's up?
Now is my chance. This candy is for you.
Ugh, it's slimy! Ouch, that hurts! Is that a tooth?
What? That's mine.
Oh, she looks fun!
Oh, hi.
I'm Leo.
Tomato juice? I'll have some of that. Come on. But wait. He talked to me first. Oh. She likes Barbie, huh? A makeover box? Is this his secret? Oh, I'll just borrow it. Leo, wait, I'm burning up. Why is it open? Oh, that was close. What the? Ow! It's so dry. Ow! Oh, there must be something in here. As much as I hate to admit it, Barbie will have all the answers. Whoa! What about this one? A face cream? Whoa! Let's try it. That should be enough, right? I'm not sure. I've never really used this stuff before. Done. I can't see. I need a towel. There. Uh-oh. I ruined Leo's picture. No. Destroyed. Sorry, Leo. Now, what's next? Oh, makeup. Do I have it in here? Oh, wow. But how do I use this? What's this? Oh, it's a guide. All I have to do is copy all the dots. Should be easy. Last one. Done. Now, let's blend. Makeup is easier than I thought. Gross. I have an idea. I'll spread the booger all over my face. And it will blend all the makeup. I'll add some finishing touches. I need some color and shine after all. This Barbie is a beauty queen. What's next? Blonde hair. I've got what I need right here. I'll start with the roots. I don't think it's working. What's wrong with it? It's no use. What should I do? Oh, I know. I knew this will come in handy. I don't mean you. Justin. In the trash you go. Oh, bingo. You have the perfect shade. It's showtime. It's just a little trim, Barbie. A trim up to the roots. Perfect. I'll use socks as base for my wig. I won't be looking like an egg for long. Soon, I'll have beautiful blonde locks. Ready? It needs some brushing. Now, where is that list? Oh, they don't look good. But I do. Oh, I love it. Next up, white teeth. Uh-oh, we gotta get rid of this. Ow. And they are looking a little yellow. Oh, I know. I'll file them down with this. They gotta work. Let's start with this one. It's kinda tough. Oh, I think it's working. I'm on a roll. Almost done. My fangs are gone. They are all gone. No. I gotta fix it. Oh, come on. Grandma's dentures. She won't mind. It's a huge, but it will do it. And now get off. Yes, welcome my little gummies. Come to mama. on track. I'm on the last one. I need a pink dress. Oh no, I only have them and shade darker. I'll have a look in my closet. Nope. Oh, I knew I have pink stuff in here. Good thing I have them in stock. This should be enough for a dress. That was a lot. Let's make a dress. I'll start with the skirt. The loofah can act like a tool. It's perfect for the skirt. The style is a little too girly, but it's growing on me. Let's add more puff to this thing. Now it's done. I feel so pretty. It's giving homecoming queen. I'm ready for you, Leo. Let's go. Oh no! Plan B. Nope. Oh, this is perfect. Well, that was quick. Oh, I love this one. My shoes. It's too dark. They don't match my outfit. Oh, nothing a little crafting can't fix. Settle down here, ladies. I'm giving you a makeover. There we go. I'm giving you a dash of pink. Let's get to blending. The whole outfit will come together by the end of this. I'll just color all of it in pink. Done painting. I'll use the blower to dry it faster. We don't want to be late. Now, do we? Did somebody say Barbie doll? Leo? Anyone? Hi there.
Whoa, so pretty. Sorry.
Seriously? Oh.
Hi.
Hi, Leo.
How come I've never seen you before? Come here.
What that smell? Bye.
Huh? Where did she go? That's too bad. These are the best garlic flavored chips. Oh, hi there.
My fangs are back. Must be the garlic effect. Much better.
Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Barbie. Hey, guys.
Oh, she's just like me. Oh, don't worry. I'll help you. Time for a snack. Can you guess the color? Whoa, it's blue. Whoever said we can't play with our food is missing out. Whoa, this is so satisfying.
Honey? Honey, don't eat it.
Mom?
You shouldn't be eating this.
My snack. Is that a Barbie?
Help me!
Ugh, you're full of goo. Ew. Let's get you cleaned up.
Ooh, a bath. Ew, what is that?
It's a tomato juice. Say ah.
Hey!
And now we scrub.
Hey, careful!
Super speed activate.
Whoopee! Thank you!
You need a makeover. Ugh. Look, it's Vampina. I know. I'll make you look like my crush.
Ooh, exciting!
I know, right? My favorite drink. So good.
Ew!
Excuse me.
Honey, look.
Coming, mommy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Huh? Justin.
Whoops. Huh? Hold on. Thanks, Mom.
What?
Foundation is on. What's next? Red eyes, fangs. I know what to do. You need some makeup.
Okay.
Huh? Perfect! Red paint for the eyes. Oh, it's empty. Oh, what to do? Oh, a snack. Oh, I know. I'll use these red tomatoes as paint. Genius, huh? Just relax, little baby tomatoes. Aw. Anyway, smash! Whoa, it's bright red. Now I'll dip my brush in it. And let's get to painting.
Ooh, I'm seeing red.
No lips! Going in. Your lips need to match your eyes.
Well,
What about the fangs? Aha! I'll clip a little bit of nail from my foot. Got it! This'll do. Gotta be careful, they're very sharp.
yay! I have fangs.
The transformation is complete. Oh, I love my vampire Barbie. Oh,
You dropped me.
oh no! You're all sticky. It's all over her hair. Oh, what do I do? Vampina has black hair. I'll just give you a haircut. Welcome to Justin's salon. I'll give you the haircut of your dreams. Not using this though. I'll use my nail.
That's too short. I'm bald.
Don't worry. The solution isn't here.
I need hair, not cookies.
It's your new hair, silly. Just trust me. I'll sew this black yarn into your head and repeat it a couple of times. That way you'll get a full vampire look. It's done.
Well,
Give it a flip.
I love it.
You're so beautiful. Nah, I don't need this anymore.
Whoa.
Whoops. So pretty. There's so many holes.
Oh no, my dress.
You need new clothes. Aha! Whoa, my old Barbie. Come here. Outfit swap. Bye, girl. Wow.
Ew, this color is disgusting.
Huh? I'll fix it. I have the perfect recipe for this situation. First step, put the dress in the pot. Add 1 cup of werewolf sweat. The thicker, the better. Perfect. Next is... the special ingredient. Whoa, this is my favorite part. Whoa. There it is. Now I have to squeeze out the juice. I'll add it to the pot and then mix.
Oh, that for a dress?
Wait till you see it. Try it on.
Whoa.
I got a cape for you too.
I'm feeling this vibe. But it's missing something.
Let's add some finishing touches. Yeah! It adds some flair to the dress.
I love it. Thank you, Justin.
You look like Vampina, my dream girl.
Honey!
Hey, Mom. What's up?
You're weird.
Gotta keep them sharp.
Ooh, I want it. Paint my nails.
Huh? All right, Barbie. Pew, pew. Choose a color.
I want the red one.
Red it is. Nice choice. Coming in hot. I saw this hack on TikTok. First, I'll squeeze some hot glue onto your hand. Wow! It's like real nail polish.
It's too long. Can you cut it?
You're right. Yes, I can.
Thanks.
What do you think?
Well,
Something's itchy. That's better.
ew, manners.
Whoa! You look like Vampina now.
Yeah, I'm really feeling this vampire look.
Ah, Vampina, my dream girl. La 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 la. Whee! Whoa! Vampina, are you okay?
Ouch! I'm out of here. Bye.
Wait! Vampina left me. I don't want to be alone.